Hello, in today's video I'll make a review about this Germany World Cup 2022 jersey. Here you can see the front of the jersey with customization 23 and the embroidered Germany logo, because this jersey is a fan version jersey, so everything is embroidered, the 4 stars and of course the Adidas logo embroidered as well. The color of the jersey with this printing, Adidas and size S, made from recycled material, at least that's what's written. This is the neck of the jersey with this Germany flag, and the shoulder of the jersey with these 3 black stripes, and the sleeve of the jersey also with this black stripe. And as you can see, it's a very elastic material and very high quality. On both sides of the jersey you can see this Germany flag, and this is aero ready technology because it's a fan version jersey. And here you can see the material as well. It's really high quality, it's an elastic material, but it's not that comfortable as a player version jersey, but every little detail is made with high precision, as you can see with this Germany flag on the bottom of the jersey. This will be all about the front. Now let's go to the back of the jersey, which is customized with number 23 and the name, because you can customize with any name and number you want, with the original font, and the Germany logo is on the bottom of the numbers. You can see this glossy material which the numbers are made of, this cool pattern on the numbers, and the name with the original font of the German national team, and also this little printing on the back of the neck of the jersey, Deutschland, very well printed. They are not gonna fall off because they are printed and heat pressed very well. Again, the shoulder of the jersey, and this would be all about this jersey. If you are wondering how much the shipping took, then you can see that I ordered this jersey on the 12th of February and it arrived on the 10th of March, so approximately 1 month to Europe, but it depends also on your location. And if you want to order, please use my invitation link to save $5 on your order. Thank you, goodbye.